Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. In case you have a lengthy text to write and you have to write in a one page, then you must have to zoom in the layout. So in this video we are going to talk about zoom in and zoom out in MS Word. I've already write down the text and you can see the font size is not much visible. You can zoom in by moving a point which is right down corner in the screen. You can see over here you can move this point to make it more visible, and you can do your work easily, or you can click on this plus point and you can minimize from here also. So guys, this is how to zoom in and zoom out in MS Word. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.